That's a little bit of a wonky intersection there. So 40 in the whole area, no matter where we are in this area here, it's going to be 40. Let's make a right turn, or sorry, left turn. Left turn. And let's pull it over safely to the side of the road, and we'll do a roadside stop anywhere you want. Okay, and then one more thing. When they ask you to do the roadside stop, it's in case of an emergency situation. So, yeah, you got it. Okay, that's good. That's your roadside stop. And we'll take off.
Oh, I got that.
Yes. You got it. Okay, good. At the stop sign ahead, we're going to make a right turn. Yeah, it looks like he's going slow enough to provide evidence that he is actually going to turn. Let's pull over here and we'll park the vehicle, assuming you're leaving it here for a long period of time. Secure the vehicle.
There's no like 90-degree curve here, guys. Okay. And then you put it in. Turn the wheels all the way.
That's correct.
Here. And then park?
Yep. Yep, you got it. Okay, good. That's uphill, no curb, wheels to the right. Okay, we'll take off.
Okay.
Just straighten the wheels out first. There we go. That's step 1. That's step 2. And now smog is your step 3. Remember smog?
Yeah. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder, and go.
Yeah. Okay, we'll turn right here. It's so weird not to see any snow.